Still using ElevenLabs for text-to-speech? Hold up, you need to see this. Google just dropped something brand new, AI voice generator tools. And honestly, it might flip the script on AI voice tools. Yup, it's free. No usage limits, and sounds way better than you'd expect. Stick around, what I'm about to show you is next level. Now look, I'll give credit where it's due. ElevenLabs, still one of the best AI voice generators out there. Their voice is super smooth, the emotion on point. No doubt, they've been leading the game. But now, things just got a whole lot more interesting. Google just released their own AI voice generator, and the first time I tried it, I was like, wait, how is this even free? The voices sound real, like scary real. I'm not exaggerating. Once you hear it, you'll get it. And this isn't just a demo. It's a full tool you can use right now for free. Honestly, it's giving ElevenLabs some serious competition. So yeah, don't skip this video because by the end, you'll have full access to a tool that can make some of the most realistic, emotion-filled AI voices out there today. And if you're a content creator, tech explainers, stories, motivational videos, podcasts, even dialogue-heavy scripts, this could be your next secret weapon. Oh, and here's the best part. Since it's made by Google, you don't have to worry about monetization. No guessing if your AI voice will get flagged. Google's backing it, so you're good to go. And hey, fun fact, the voice you're hearing right now, not my real voice. This is 100% generated with Google AI Studio. Sounds good, right? Clean, natural, kinda human, and yeah, you can do this too. So let me show you exactly how it works. Let's jump in. All right, first things first, open up any browser. Doesn't matter which one, and just type Google AI Studio. Oh, and by the way, I dropped the direct link in the video description, so you don't have to hunt for it. Nice, right? Now, check out this interface. Clean, simple, and honestly, kinda cool in that minimalist way. But trust me, the real magic, we haven't even scratched the surface yet. See that little settings gear up top? Click it. You can switch between light mode and dark mode here. Personally, I'm all about dark mode. It's like giving your eyes a little vacation, especially when you're burning the midnight oil. But wait, there are many more options available on the left side. Here, you'll find an entire menu of delightful choices, like chatting, streaming, media generation, full documentation. It's like a Swiss Army knife for AI. But don't get distracted just yet, because what we really want is right here, text-to-speech magic. But before you dive in, hold up. There's one tiny but super important thing you need to double check. Make sure your model is set to Gemini 2.5 Pro, the latest and greatest. Now, click on Native Speech Generation, and bam, here's the dashboard. And you'll see two choices, single speaker and multi-speaker. We're gonna roll with single speaker first, because one step at a time, right? Multi-speaker? Oh yeah, we'll get to that party later. Turn on single speaker and suddenly a bunch of settings pop up. One to watch? Temperature. Nope, it's not how hot your computer is running. It controls the voice's speed and vibe. Feel free to play with it, but honestly, the default setting nails it most of the time. Want to know how good this sounds? Hang tight, it's coming up. And that's the setup done. Next, I'll show you how to pick the coolest voices and make this AI talk like a real person. Spoiler alert, it can even laugh, cough, and throw in some personality. You won't believe your ears. Stay right here. Alright, now we're at the fun part. Here's where you'll see all the different voice models you can pick from. Let's go ahead and preview a few, just to see what they sound like.
Ready to build something awesome today? What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
Ready to build something awesome today?
And seriously, keep watching, because what I'm about to show you in this video is going to surprise you. You're probably thinking, so Google AI Studio is just a text-to-speech tool, right? Oh, no, it's way more than that. This thing has tricks up its sleeve you probably didn't even imagine, like a single character talking in multiple languages. And yes, even switching accents on the fly. Mind-blowing? Yeah, I thought so too. Okay, let's actually pick a voice. I'm going with AIoniz. It just sounds deep, kind of cinematic, excited, perfect for this demo. And now, this is the moment I've been waiting to show you. Why I think Google AI Studio completely outshines ElevenLabs, not just by a little bit, but in a big way. See, it's not just about having unlimited text-to-speech. That's nice and all, but this thing packs in features that feel like a game changer. Once you hear the difference for yourself, you'll get why I can't shut up about it. So here's what I've done. Grabbed a script I wrote up earlier. First, I'll copy it from Google Docs and paste it into ElevenLabs. We'll pick a random voice there. Let's say this one. Then click Generate Speech and give it a listen.
Last night, I found a letter from my future self warning me not to go to work today. An hour later, the building collapsed. Last night, I found a letter from my future self warning me not to go to work today. An hour later, the building collapsed.
Now, here's where it gets exciting. We'll run the same script through Google AI Studio, and when you hear the difference, you might not look at ElevenLabs the same way again.
Last night, I found a letter from my future self warning me not to go to work today. An hour later, the building collapsed.
Whoa, did you hear that? Google AI Studio didn't just read the script, it felt it. Those little emotions I added, it picked them up like a real human would. Honestly, I had to replay it just to make sure I wasn't imagining things. And trust me, it only gets crazier from here. This tool isn't just good, it's a game changer. And get this, right now, Google's text-to-speech generation is totally unlimited. No pay-per-use, no credits, no limits. But let's be real, Google doesn't keep stuff free forever. So my advice, use it, abuse it, explore every corner of it while you can. And here's the part that blew my mind. The same voice can speak multiple languages and even switch accents instantly. Yeah, no clunky switching, no robotic tones, just smooth, natural transitions. How insane is that? Let's actually put it to the test. Here's the plan. Take the exact same voice and make it speak French, then German, each with its proper accent. Close your eyes and you'd swear you're listening to a native speaker. And that's still not even the coolest part, because this tool doesn't just do languages, it adapts to any accent. And here's the wild part. This thing can automatically switch to any accent you throw at it. No settings, no tweaking, it just does it. So let's spice things up. I'm gonna try an Indian Hindi Pidgin accent. First, I'll grab a script written in Hindi Pidgin and drop it into ElevenLabs. Pick some random voice, hit generate speech, and let's see what disaster comes out.
So I walking inside room, yar, and everybody staring like I done some big crime only. I thinking, are kya hua? Why all look like that? Then one fellow say, bye, toothpaste still on your chin, boss. Are wah. Full confident entry becomes full comedy show. I say, are, at least now my chin also minty fresh, no? So I walking inside room, yar, and everybody staring like I done some big crime only. I thinking, are kya hua? Why all look like that? Then one fellow say, bye, toothpaste still on your chin, boss. Are wah. Full confident entry becomes full comedy show. I say, are, at least now my chin also minty fresh, no?
Yeah, my Indian viewers are probably nodding right now. ElevenLabs absolutely messed up that accent. Not great. Alright, now it's Google's turn. I'm pasting that exact same script into Google AI Studio, keeping the same voice model, and smashing run. Can it pull off what ElevenLabs couldn't? Stick around. You don't want to miss this.
So I walking inside room yaar, and everybody staring like I done some big crime only. I thinking, are kya hua? Why all look like that? Then one fellow say, bhai, toothpaste still on your chin, boss. Are wah. Full confident entry becomes full comedy show. I say, are at least now my chin also minty fresh, no?
Got it. Energetic. Let's make it lighter, punchier, and more fun, like you're a creator geeking out with your audience, but still keeping it clean and human. When I said Google AI Studio beats ElevenLabs, I wasn't hyping it up for nothing. Alright, now here's the last part of this tool. Let's see how Google AI Studio's multi-speaker mode can turn a plain script into a full-blown back-and-forth conversation in minutes. Sounds like a lot? Nah. Here's what I'm cooking up. 2 voices, a female host, and a male guest. That's me, obviously. Oh yeah, this is about to get interesting. So first, I hit multi-speaker and boom, a whole lineup of voice options pops up. I'll grab a female voice for my host and set her name, Linda. Now for speaker 2, I'll type my name, AIoniz. And just like that, 2 voices are locked in. Pretty smooth so far, right? Once that's set, we land on the real playground. See this button? Add dialogue. Click it and a text box pops up. This is where the magic starts. I'll grab the first line from my script, let's say it's the host, and paste it in. Click Add Dialogue again. Grab my line, paste it, rinse, and repeat till the whole convo's in there. And now, my favorite part, hit run.
Few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4.
Hey, AIoniz. Welcome. So tell me, how can someone grow fast on YouTube?
Thanks, Linda. Honestly, the biggest thing is consistency. Upload regularly so your audience knows when to expect you.
Makes sense. Anything else?
Absolutely. Follow YouTube trends, but give them your own twist. And always focus on quality. That's how you stand out and grow quickly.
Love it. Thanks for the tips.
Anytime. Now go create.
Boom. You've got a smooth, natural conversation that honestly sounds like it came straight out of a recording studio. Wild, right? This tool right here, it's a total game changer that'll seriously level up your content quality. And hey, if you found even a bit of value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed too.